relax. All right? My old man, he's a television repairman. He's got this ultimate set of tools. I can fix it.
Hey, how you doing? Got a little bit of a repair going on here with the LCD, and what I've been doing is around these tabs are really hard to keep them retained. They have a tendency to pull apart or go back together again, and been using a pick tool to get in here and pry that back because they want to just snap right back on there before you take your glass or plastic off of there. So anyway, what I did was I went around I'm going around the outside and putting this toothpick in here, and that's going to retain that, so when I pull this cover off here, these won't snap back into place. So if you're doing one of these, maybe this will help you out. I'll show you the other ones that I've done here. It's on this side.
Guest of the year.
Well, I'm afraid we've got some business to discuss here, Jeff.
So let's make sure to take your these other boards off here. Speakers are off, and it'll make the job a lot easier. These connectors, there's one going here and one over here, and there's one to the speakers, main board, AV board. So have a look at that. These little toothpicks, pretty cheap, but it's going to retain. You just want to get your pick tool and get in there and pull that back, that tab. Here's a better view of it here, but try to get in the middle of it, because you get at the end, you might break it off. And just pry that back and put your toothpick in there. Might help you out. Okay, bye.